Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can fix the DMs of Instagram if they are not loading. So the process is the same for Android as well as for iOS. Just watch the video till the end and follow all the steps properly. First of all, go to your Google Play Store or App Store, anything you have, and there you have to check for Instagram update. If there is any update available for Instagram, then do kindly update it to its latest version, because most of the time the reason behind these bugs and missing features is the update. After that, simply open Instagram and check if your problem is fixed or not. And if it's still the same, then you're gonna go to the next solution, which is you can try for a VPN. So first of all, you need to install a VPN to your device, and I suggest you to download this VPN named 4x1 Warp, and it's a very good and efficient VPN, and most probably this will help a lot in your problem. So simply go ahead, connect your VPN to any suitable server just according to your region. Alright, so after that, simply open your Instagram, and most probably this time your problem will be fixed. And in the case if it's still the same, then the last thing you can do is to mention the problem. You can mention that your DMs are not loading, and for that you're gonna go to Instagram settings and go to help, and over here you have to report a problem. So either you can copy the same words from here or you can do it by yourself, doesn't matter, but after that you have to submit the request, and within 24 hours Instagram will notify you back, and most probably your problem will be fixed. So this is basically how you can fix the DM loading problem over on Instagram. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.